Hi, and welcome to Blog Group. Today, we're taking a look at 10 online businesses that will make you a millionaire. Do you want to become a millionaire? Of course you do. In fact, everybody wishes to be a millionaire but just doesn't know where to start and how. Well, you have just arrived at the right place. Today, we are going to provide you with 10 online business ideas that are bound to make you a millionaire. It's okay if you're not tech-savvy, lack skills, or are clueless about what business to start. Don't worry, everything is possible in this digital era. Today, you can start online business without any high-level hassle. And you can even edit your content like a pro without actually knowing its technicalities with the help of free tools. You just need to be determined and focused on your work. And to top it all, most of the businesses these days can be managed from your phone. See, you can't become a millionaire overnight, but via creating passive income streams. So let's get to know the 10 online businesses that will make you a millionaire. Watch the video till the end to know the number $1 million business idea. Number 10. Ethical hacking. Believe it or not, ethical hacking can make you a millionaire and is actually a very well-sought business. As companies have invested heavily in securing their software and IT systems, the malicious hackers continue to exploit the vulnerabilities and crack into the system. This is where companies require the services of ethical hackers and readily spend a handsome amount. An ethical hacker is a computer security expert that tries to penetrate the computer network system by finding the security vulnerabilities that a malicious hacker could exploit. Once the ethical hackers are able to find any vulnerability, they pass on the details about the same to the company. The company then takes a measure to fix the vulnerability and pays the ethical hacker for their services. Companies like Facebook and Google have their bounty programs, where ethical hackers are rewarded for finding bugs. In fact, in 2018, Facebook paid out a huge bounty of $50,000 to an ethical hacker. Number 9. Selling online courses. Selling your online courses comes with a hefty tag of income. Sounds shocking, but it is true. Making your own online courses and selling them can actually make you a millionaire. Unlike online teaching, where you get paid for the number of hours you teach, selling online courses can become a source of your recurring income. The courses could be anything that people may find useful, from math to English speaking to affiliate marketing and money making. You can make online courses for anything that you know the best. There are various websites where you can promote your courses, but the best way is to promote via your own blog or website. By this way, you can avoid paying commissions to a third party and can offer the courses at a cheaper price. And use the best Facebook advertising to promote online courses on your own blog. Several people are making big money by promoting their online courses through Facebook. Number 8. Blogging. Blogging has been and will always be an online business with a lot of scope. It will continue to flourish for as long as people continue to seek information on the World Wide Web. And with more people expected to get access to the internet, one can only predict a bright future for bloggers. And here comes the best part. Unlike other businesses which will require you to invest thousands of dollars, blogging is dirt cheap. You can start a self-hosted blog by just purchasing domain name and web hosting, which will cost you as low as $60. Any person with basic internet skills can get started with a blog of his own. In fact, at some hosts, starting a blog is as easy as online shopping. All you need to do is buy a hosting and a domain name, and you are done. Number 7. IoT development. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a futuristic concept that is expected to grow at a very fast pace. IoT devices record and transfer data to monitor important processes, give us new insights, boost efficiency, and allow companies to make more informed decisions. They tell organizations what's really happening, rather than what they assume or hope is happening. And the reams of data they gather are grist to the mill for analytics and AI systems, which can identify patterns of use or behavior that were previously hidden. The IoT market, which include hardware, software, systems integration, and data and telecom services, is expected to grow to $520 billion by 2021. As reported in the IoT analytics, the number of connected devices as of 2018 was 17 billion, which is expected to double to 34.2 billion in 2025. As per Forbes, worldwide technology spending on the Internet of Things is expected to reach $1.2 trillion in 2022. Number 6. Selling SaaS-based software. One more lucrative online business idea which can make you a millionaire is selling SaaS-based software. This business has already marked its way and will be of worth many millions in the upcoming years. Software as a Service, or SaaS, is a software distribution model in which the software is hosted centrally on the cloud and customers can access it through their web browser. The licensing is usually on a subscription basis. Lately, more customers are preferring SaaS-based software as the software does not require any installation and can be used from anywhere. Also, the customers do not have to worry about the upgrades as the same is handled by the company. Therefore, due to all these advantages, customers are preferring SaaS-based software, which in turn makes it a beneficial online business. Number 5. Affiliate marketing business. We know it might sound surprising, but affiliate marketing can make you a millionaire. People are earning millions every year through affiliate marketing. Pat Flynn, Finch Sells, Missy Ward are a few of the topmost affiliate marketers. In case you do not know what is affiliate marketing, then let me tell you. Affiliate marketing is the process in which you earn a commission by promoting a company's product or services through a unique link called an affiliate link. Whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, the company will pay you a commission for the same. However, a few companies also pay its affiliates for generating sales leads for them. Most companies will require you to have a blog for approving you to be part of their affiliate program. However, some companies don't put forward any such conditions, and you can promote their products in social media and email marketing. What makes affiliate marketing stand out is the fact that income from affiliate marketing is often recurring. If you write a review blog post today and put an affiliate link inside the same, you will continue to generate income from it for as long as you are able to drive traffic to that post. Number 4. Domain flipping. Domain flipping is regarded as one of the most profitable businesses that can make you a millionaire. There is a huge demand for attractive domain names, especially if you are seeking to get a domain name with the most popular .com extension. This is where the domain flipping business comes into play. It is a business wherein you invest money to buy good domain names you think people might be interested to buy. You can then put these domain names for selling at a fixed price or auction them at websites. Domain names can be bought for a cheap price of $10 at websites and are sold at a price exceeding $1,000. In fact, some unique domains are sold for a price exceeding $10,000. Do you know which is the most expensive domain deal to date? Well, the answer is that it was for LasVegas.com, which was sold for a massive price of $90 million. Crazy, right? So, if you think you can find worthy domain names that people might be interested in buying, and you have the patience to hold several domain names for years, domain flipping is something you can try. Number 3. Web development. In today's digital age, everything from electronics to groceries to furniture and food is being sold online. Needless to say, people need websites and blogs to market their products online. And to build and design a unique website, they need web developers and designers. Web development business has a huge expansion scope and is also very economical to start. If you know web development and designing, you can start a freelance business with almost zero investment. All you need is a computer with a good configuration and some software, most of which come with a cheap price tag. Since web development can be started with almost zero investment, it can get you huge returns. Number 2. Chatbots. Thanks to Facebook, we've grown quite used to chatting with friends and family across all our social media networks. The AI-powered chatbots present a new digital frontier for businesses looking to automate and relinquish much of the manpower it takes to have a chat with its customers. Businesses across all spectrums are now taking advantage of chatbots. Platforms like ManyChat, Chatty People, and several others have developed chatbots, which have been bought many of the top-notch companies. Taking inspiration from them, you too can start a chatbots business and sell it to businesses in need. Also, they generate passive income as you charge per month from the businesses. The price of a chatbot depends on how many features you have added to it. Number 1. Online store. Building an online store takes the #1 position in our list of the businesses that can make you a millionaire. It has a great potential to become your main long-term source of big fat income, especially at this point where everybody is considering to go online for their business ventures. With online stores, you not only save time, but a lot of money and energy. There are no worries of finding a place and paying amount to rent or buy it. You can easily operate from the comfort of your home. You can either build your e-commerce website on your own or hire a professional to do that. The list of products you can sell online is endless, like mugs, stickers, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, posters, notebooks, etc. Pick whichever you like, and in the future, you can scale and expand your business by introducing even more merchandise. And if your business rolls out well, then the amount of profit you will make is sure to make you a millionaire in a few years. Hope you enjoyed our list of 10 online businesses that will make you a millionaire. Tell us in the comments which $1,000,000 business idea did you like the most. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please push the notification bell to get the latest updates. And don't forget to subscribe to receive all of our latest videos. And share this with your dear ones. For more information, please visit blogrope.com.